You want to be in?
Hi.
I'm so tired, but must get up and get ready for the beach. So that's what this vlog is going to be about. I'm going to take y'all with me. Last beach trip before summer ends. She is revved up and ready to go early this morning with her squishy.
Where?
I'm overstimulated.
No.
This is all that I'm wearing. I have these pink Croc slides. I'm wearing this dress. And get myself together, y'all. Excuse my yellow lights, or maybe because I have shades on. This is my look. Don't mind my feet, y'all. I was up all night trying to paint my own toes. But I'm wearing those like pink, I think they're pink clay is the color of the Croc slides. Yes, we're headed out. Come on. Alright, y'all, we stopped at McDonald's to pee, and cleanest McDonald's bathroom I have encountered in my life. I'm so grateful. I got my edge of stuff on, so excuse it. I didn't want to get nothing too heavy because I don't want to be on that beach and stomach cooking and churning. So I just got my 2 McGriddle little patties with nothing on it, but that's it. But we're like probably 2 minutes, you said, from the beach. 2 minutes away. I'm excited. My child is excited. So,
I'm too excited.
yeah, she is ready, honey. So we're about to get there. Oh. All right, who is it?
So shiny.
Yes. We sitting next to the biker boys. I'm scared. Sorry. It is recording. All right, I'm out here walking towards the beach. Husband and child way ahead of me. The water looks beautiful. It's a nice cool day. And once we set up, I'll let y'all see the view. You all done?
Why there's so many holes?
This probably because that's what it's going to the sand. Trying to stay right here because it looks pretty deep. Woo! Yeah. Woo! Woo! It's cold. The war on birds at this beach is crazy. I have had to defend me and my family's life. These birds are scoundering for food. I'm not a birds, animals, the creepy crawlies. It's like beach rats. I don't like it. There's too many of them, and I can't take it. They done already bust open somebody's bag of chips and ate the whole bag. Then it's seagulls, pigeons, and I don't know, a cousin of an eagle out here. It's too much. and sand everywhere. Oh, you done? The water. Leaving the beach now. Everybody's about to go potty and do all of that. And I don't know what is gonna be next, but I'm gonna take y'all with me and then show y'all the hotel and all that good stuff. I'm ready for a little cat nap and a shower. I am covered in sand.
I'm going to take a cat nap.
You gonna take a cat nap?
No, I'm going to take a shower first. I'm going to say shower. I know what you're
Reporting live from the outlets. I will be going into Simply Southern. And I'm taking you with me. Alright, so this is me going inside the Simply Southern store. They had a lot of cute shirts, you know, little accessories, and some bags. Some backpacks. A lot of beach summer bags there. And yeah, enjoy the rest of the footage. Alright, so I went into Simply Southern and I came out quick. I don't know if it's just because it's like one of the outlet ones. One, the Simply Southern bags cost way more. I don't know if they were saying that the bags were $119 or they were 50% off of $119. But I'm gonna do another video and show y'all the bag. I'm gonna unbox it. I got it for way less from the actual website, so I don't know what that was about. And then the shirts, they don't have my size. I think they only go up to like an extra large. People are bigger than that. The shirts are definitely cute. I will give them a 10 out of 10 for that, but I mean, you don't have my size, so I couldn't, you know, purchase anything. Very cute store, but it started getting crowded. Y'all know I don't like that, so I was in and out of there within probably 3 minutes. So the clips before this clip are probably 60 seconds.
Oh my God.
Best part of the outlet, the auntie ends. Delicious. Something about these ones from here, 10 out of 10, highly recommend. I'm about to eat. I'm about to eat these. And then I'm going to Lane Bryant because I have $40 free, so I'm probably gonna give me some underwear. And then I have free body care item out of Bath & Body Works. All right, now I'm going into Bath & Body Works, and it is packed like nobody's business in here. Hello.
Hi, Sherry.
Oh, you guys don't have any more endless? Oh, in the back?
Girl, have you tried these together?
No.
It's an awesome
Outlet. I'm getting ready to go in. Let's hopefully use my bucks. Hello. Y'all, my daughter done laid me out because I was taking so long up in the store. But when I get to the hotel, she act like she is starving. When I get to the hotel, I'll show y'all, do my haul from Lane Bryant and Bath & Body Works. It was a lot going on, a great funny story, and I'll tell it once the Eagle has landed. All right, we're at the hotel now. I can't wait to shower. Hold on, I'm gonna give it to you. And get ready to walk in and check in. And I'll show y'all what the room looking like.
Can I turn it?
Yeah, just 1 second, 1 second. All right, I'm getting ready to show y'all my room and do a little quick tour. All right, this is the room. Too bad somebody, she wants to be. Nice clean room. Front desk staff was very friendly. The desk. This is what the remote came in. Remote comes in plastic. This is all our stuff right here. Got a little wall art. Oh yeah, the light. It looked better now with the light. There's a mirror there, the bathroom, some hangers for the bags, a nice closet, very, very nice room. You get a microwave, fridge. Really, really like it. All right, I'm in the hotel room. I just want to show y'all something they had. Nice, warm, baked, fresh baked Otis Spunky Meyer cookies. Nice and warm. Everybody in my trio loves them. They're really tasty. They have nice ice cold water when you walk in. And I got this goodie bag, which came with a bottle of water, a bag of chips. My child is gonna take these from me now. A chewy bar and 2 mints. People don't know how to be quiet on the set yet. But yes, that's the clip about my room, and we're all about to get ready and go find some food. And I'm gonna take y'all with me for that too. All right, so I'm gonna show y'all everything I got from Bath and Body Works. The mists were $4.95. Basically $5. Got 2 Endless Sea because I really like that fragrance, and that is fresh bergamot, saltwater lily, ocean driftwood. Love, love, love it. And then got black cherry merlot. People like to play on my set, and I don't really like that. I'm a businessman. I'm a brand. Okay. Next, got wild sand, and that is prickly pear fruit, cactus flower, warm agave nectar. Really like this one a lot. The lady in Bath and Body Works told me to layer these. Delicious combo. I'm not that scent girl that can tell you the high notes, low notes, and all the mid notes. Just try it. That's my suggestion. So I had some free items to get, but everything of the mist is over $16.95. So Bath and Body Works, if you see this, if you're gonna give us a free item, let it be something that we want, not have to search around the store for $16.95. Number 2, if we pick an item that is over $16.95, you know, $17.95 or $18.95, let us just pay that difference of $1, $2, because it's quite ridiculous. But yeah, so I couldn't even use my freebies. But anyway, total was $21.19 for those. I don't know if y'all can see it, but you get what I'm saying. So yeah, that was that. Now let's jump into this Lane Bryant haul. All right, y'all. So Lane Bryant. Let me tell y'all a story with Lane Bryant. Went in there because I had $40 cash. There, you know, bucks or reward point things to spend. Come to find out when I'm getting ready to check out on my $44 total that I had all these other 25s off of 50s. Like I have 10 of those. So they tell me that, and so of course I get more stuff. So I cannot remember how many items I got, so hopefully it's on the list. But this is my receipt. And it keeps going. Big things popping and little things. Stop it. Okay. I had. Let me stop playing with y'all. Alright. Do it tell you how many items? I thought they tell you how many. Oh, 19 items. And I'll tell you the total at the end. Suspense! Okay. So, basically I just got a whole bunch of underwear. And I'm gonna show y'all all the ones that I picked out. It's a huge stack. I don't even know how many of those I got. But I was just picking them up, whatever was in my size. And yeah. Alright, I think that is, okay, that's it for the underwear. So, yes, got a plain green. And this is a cotton hipster. I love my briefs. Some more cotton. Yes, this is the size I wear. This is like a rust kind of colorish. They had a lot of like, you know, floral fall stuff out. This one, let you see. This one with a little lace on the back. Some are like just solids, just because some of the ones with prints or like the hot pink ones, they didn't have in my size. But still, I love their underwear. Oh Lord, is the bag coming off? Hold on, y'all. Little gray menagerie. Got some black. Another pair has like a little design. I don't know if you can see on the side. I hope y'all can see me good with this light. I'm gonna turn some more that way. That might be better. This is another pair. This one is another hipster. I don't know why my light keeps going. Is it me doing it? It's like almost blinding me a little bit, y'all. That's why I keep on moving. This is a plain one. Oh. It's a plain black one. I should have just bought a whole bunch of the black ones too. I got a handful of those. This one with the cheetahs on it. Is these cheetahs? Yeah. Cheetahs on it. I got this one. That's black. I got these. They just moved. I love me a brief, honey. When it calls for, you know, the jazzy occasion, the underwear is jazzy. When it calls for comfort, which is majority of the day, thank you, comfy and cozy. Why am I flipping this one around? I forgot this one had no words, just gray. Got these ones. This one has a little lace detail right here too. Right. Then got a big green. Some more like animal print. Does this one have a lacy tip? No. But it has like this, like, I don't know, satin band on it. And this one is really giving fall at the orchards. So the underwear, let me count how many I got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. I hate odd numbers, but I was just picking up stuff. 17 pairs of underwear. Next, I bought some jewelry. That was 30% off too. Oh, hold on, let me put this back on here because that done popped off one of the earrings while it was wrapped up. Oh, I don't want it to fall. Okay, so I got these. They're the like resin earrings. Oh, see y'all? This one's coming out. Hold on, let me try to adjust this. I think it's because the piece to hold it blocks the other one. Well, if y'all can see what I was talking about, y'all will get it. Got these resin earrings, 3 pair. I'll look to see how much they tallied up to. But it's like a marble, black and kind of grayish white. This pair, this one, the pink is slightly marbled with white. And then just a solid silver, which I thought was cute. Kind of match what I got going on right now. But yeah, so I got those. Alright, so next I got these earrings. I was seeing if they said a name about them. But they have pinks and purples. So different shades of pinks and purples. Hopefully y'all can see that. Is this what you do? Oh yeah. That actually works. I just wonder why they did that. Yeah, that's what I got. Those. Maybe it'll work when I do it on this. I'm gonna see y'all. Oh yeah. Much, much better. So let me see. Okay. And then I got 2 pair of bangles. Gold bangles. It was time, honey. Because the ones that I have are like, come on, rusted and disgusted and busted. They're like bronze at this point. Yes, I got 2 of these. This is 2 sets. All you need, all you need. And then I'm gonna show y'all one of my favorite things that I got from Laney. Okay, so lastly, and I'm gonna stand up so y'all can see this in full. Roll my chair out the way. Lastly, I got this chiffon robe. Let's see, I might have to. Camera's about to die like it always is. Let me change the battery, but this is the robe. Very beautiful robe. It's so pretty. I'm gonna try to just take a picture of it, insert it so you can better see. But it is so pretty. It just gives me classy. I love it. So yes, that's everything I got. And then all right, now we're on our way to eat. Sorry, my hair keeps on falling. We're going to Silver Diner, and I'm gonna take y'all in there with me too. Friend, get in there. I think it's just been so packed.
Here, move her over. You sure you still want these?
Alright, where my menu?
Right there. Oh no, I guess it's nice.
Well, I'm in here. I'll show y'all the menu once I get one.
Then to just keep playing in order.
Did that would have been fun.
They got good.
Look at me.
Y'all see I'm growing a mustache. Yeah.
That is definitely getting good.
Mustache. I mean a beard, some mustache.
All the way up to the lip.
Yeah, it's just a little dinner night with our great grandparents.
Not with your great grandparents. Oh, I love this. This is
What is
beautiful.
it? What's a picture
I
of?
really
Hot dog, Mario.
you know, I really
Okay.
because my nana is set.
Was it enough room back there for y'all?
Oh no, we switched. Like my was it was painful.
Oh, it was painful.
Yeah, my leg was like, oh, my knees were up high.
It won't even show. What?
You got cooking at my house with my friends.
Oh, you gonna have a little party?
It's beautiful.
Onions and ours. I be cutting peppers and stuff.
Yeah, let me get a bite from it.
I'm weak. I'm not so weak.
There we go.
How y'all doing today? I'm the server. I'm taking care of this beautiful family right now.
Yes.
We're about to enjoy a wonderful meal at Silver Diner. Guys, we partnered up with a dozen local farms to bring you fresh and local food from farm to the table.
Thank you, thank you. Clap it up, yes. That was wonderful, yes. Took one of my men's wings. It's the hard pack. These hot.
Oh, in Las Vegas. Now, if you weigh over 200 rings, you can show me
Great.
Look again. Oh, this is
Can I
better.
get you some more to drink?
Can I get water, please? Thank you.
Water, for sure. What kind of drink?
It's a Coke.
Coke?
It's already recorded. My hair keeps walking over. We got them, so we're gonna try them tonight. Long day, fun day. But yes, but heading back to the telly now. Sorry. This might be the end of the vlog, y'all. But I'll show y'all what I got from Target. All right, the night is coming to an end. I'm gonna show y'all what I got.
The day is coming to an end. You said night.
Well, same thing. Somebody trying to check me. Let me tell you what I got from Target. I got these snacks. This is my snack for we're gonna watch a movie all together. China got, let me just show them, the Lunchable gummies. And she got a unicorn fruit juice. And I got a water, cold water. And a Coca-Cola. Here you go. So you start getting revved up. I got me some of them socks again, cause they just too cute. I got the socks, and I got the blue ones I really didn't like, but you know. And then I got 4 of these pumpkins for $1. 2 will go in my living room, and 2 are going to go in the kitchen on the table. What I've learned is less is more. Back in the day, I would have had my house looking like an apple orchard, a pumpkin patch. This year, little dainty, you know, and probably for the past couple years. But yeah, that's what I got, and we're about to close out and lay down in this bed and sleep in and relax. I'm sad. Mama been working hard today. But yes, I'm signing out of the vlog. And we're going to get breakfast, at least see what they have. I'm recording my phone. I feel like I'm bringing the camera. It's pouring right now.